Namaskar. Subject CPS 3 and CPS 4 we are studying Curriculum and Pedagogic Studies School Subject English, Unit number 2, Acquisition of Second Language. Today we will learn 2.5 the factors that influence the acquisition of a second language. So let's see what are the factors which influence on the acquisition of a second language. See, some students learn a new language more quickly and easily than others. Not only about the students, we can say about this adults too. See, take an example of some peoples. There are so many peoples I have observed. Take an example of Akkalkoa. There are so many businessmen जे व्यवसाय करतात. They acquired the language of Adivasi peoples so easily. It means that uh, some have that quality, that ability to acquire a new language easily. Likewise, some students have such type of knowledge or they can develop it. So some language learners are successful by virtue of their determination. Some have a strong determination to learn it. Hard work is there, persistence is there, so they develop the new language. However, there are other crucial factors influencing success that is largely beyond the control of the learner. There are so many factors we cannot control which affect on us to learn a new language. We categorize these factors in internal and external. There are in internal we will see age, personality, self motivation, experiences, cognitive and native language. Then in external factor we will discuss curriculum, instruction, culture and status, stimulus, access to native speakers. We will discuss one by one all of the factors. First we will discuss internal factors, that is age. This is very important factor which affects on a second language. It influenced by the that is age of the learner on the second language. The early learners acquire language effectively than adults. See, this is the difference. Suppose take an example. जर पहिले अगदी 5वी-6वी पासून जर एखाद्या विद्यार्थ्याला सेकंड लँग्वेज ॲक्वायर करत गेला तर ती लवकर डेव्हलप होते. परंतु एखादा ॲडल्ट जर ती लँग्वेज शिकायचा प्रयत्न करेल तर त्याला थोडासा डिफिकल्टी येऊ शकतात. जरी सम इन्स्पायर्ड ॲडल्ट कॅन लर्न इझिली, काही असतात ते लर्न करतात, बट इट इज नॉट इझी फॉर देम टू अकम्प्लिश नेटिव्ह स्पीकर लाईक प्रोनाउन्सिएशन अँड इंटोनेशन. They have difficulty in pronunciation and intonation pattern like a native speaker. So we have the influence of the age on a second language acquisition. This is the one factor, first factor. Second one is that the personality. Again, personality is another factor which influence on the acquisition of a second language. Introverted learners usually make slow progress in oral skill ऑफ लँग्वेज ॲक्वायजिशन. बघा, सम आर काही पीपल असे असतात ते इंट्रोवर्टेड असतात, कमी बोलणारे असतात, तर त्यांचं स्किल ऑफ लँग्वेज ॲक्वायजिशन ओरल स्किलच्या बाबतीत दे आर स्लो इन प्रोग्रेस. सो मेनी स्टुडंट डू नॉट केअर अबाउट मिस्टेक, सो दे हॅव डिफिकल्टी इन ॲक्वायजिशन्स. कधी कधी व्हॉट हॅपन, आपण ज्या वेळेस सेकंड लँग्वेज ॲक्वायर करतो ॲज अ स्टुडंट, काही मिस्टेक्स होतात आणि वी आर गोइंग टू इग्नोर देम, देन वी हॅव डिफिकल्टी इन ॲक्वायजिशन, प्रॉपर ॲक्वायजिशन ऑफ दॅट लँग्वेज. सो बट सम स्टुडंट डू मोर अँड मोर प्रॅक्टिस, इट मेक्स देम परफेक्ट अँड ग्रॅज्युअली. कारण देर आर सो मेनी स्टुडंट्स दे प्रॅक्टिस अँड प्रॅक्टिस, सो दॅट प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स देम परफेक्ट. सो दिस इज important factor, that is personality. It influence on the second language acquisition. Third one is that self motivation, that is intrinsic. Intrinsic in the say intrinsic and self motivation are also significant factor for second language acquisition. की एखाद्याला आतूनच प्रेरणा असते किंवा मोटिवेशन मिळतं की मला हे शिकायचं आहे, मला ती भाषा आलीच पाहिजे. सो सच टाइप ऑफ इंट्रिन्सिक or self motivation which affect on the learning of a second language. So self motivation has various reasons, such as for impressing others, for their social status, to take admission in any prestigious university, or for their jobs. are likely to make better effort and thus better progress. So there are so many reasons what we have explained. काहींना दुसऱ्यांना इम्प्रेस करण्यासाठी ती भाषा अवगत असली पाहिजे. काहींना असं वाटतं की मध्ये मध्ये इंग्रजी बोललं की चांगलं राहतं, आपलं इम्प्रेशन पडतं, काहींचं मत असतं. असं काही नाही. पण कम्युनिकेशन स्किल नक्कीच डेव्हलप होत जातं. टू टेक ॲडमिशन एखाद्या कोर्ससाठी ती लँग्वेज येणं आवश्यक असेल तर आपण डेव्हलप करतो जॉबसाठी. सो देर आर सो मेनी रिझन्स. सो दॅट reasons are motivate the students to learn the language. This is the third one, self motivation. Fourth one is that experience. Again, experience is another factor. Second language learners who have been exposed to various languages and culture are seen as a stronger base for learning a further language. So experience in the sense, काहींना सेकंड लँग्वेज किंवा वेगवेगळ्या लँग्वेज आणि वेगवेगळ्या कल्चरचा जर त्याने अभ्यास केला, देन दे गॉट स्ट्रॉंगर बेस फॉर लर्निंग अ फर्दर लँग्वेज. मग अशा 2-3 लँग्वेज जर त्यांनी डेव्हलप केल्या तर त्यांना नवीन कोणती लँग्वेज शिकायला सहज सोपं होत जातं. दॅट इज द स्ट्रॉंगर बेस फॉर देम. बट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर द स्टुडंट हू हॅजंट हॅड सच एक्सपिरियन्स विथ व्हेरियस लँग्वेज अँड कल्चर. परंतु सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना असा एक्सपिरियन्स असेलच असं नाही. परंतु ज्यांना एक्सपिरियन्स असेल त्यांना ती भाषा अवगत करण्यात सोपं जातं, परंतु ज्यांना नसेल त्यांना मात्र ते डिफिकल्टी होत जातं. दॅट इज अनदर फॅक्टर. देन कॉग्नेटिव्ह इज द अनदर फॅक्टर. Cognitive in the students with greater intellectual abilities make faster progress in second language acquisition. This is very because they have intellectual ability to acquire that language. So some in linguistic believe that there is a specific innate language learning ability in some students than in others. काहींना जन्मजात ते प्राप्त असतं, इन्नेट ॲबिलिटी असते एखादी भाषा ॲक्वायर करण्याची. सो cognitive is the another factor to learn a new language. Then next factor is that native language. Native language is another factor which influence on the second language. Students who are learning a second language from the language family of their first language are generally quick learners. For example, quick learner in the sense, आता मराठी लँग्वेजचं उदाहरण घेऊया आपण. मराठी भाषेची स्क्रिप्ट, मराठी भाषेचं इतर काही बाबी या हिंदी भाषेशी मिळत्या जुळत्या. देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट आहे. सो एखाद्याला जर मराठी येत असेल तर तो हिंदी लवकर शिकू शकतो, रीडिंग त्याला लवकर येऊ शकतो. एखाद्याला हिंदी येत असेल तर मराठी तो क्विक लर्न करेल. सो असं अशा वेळेस स्टुडंट्स काही सेकंड लँग्वेज फ्रॉम द लँग्वेज फॅमिली ऑफ देअर फर्स्ट लँग्वेज आर जनरली क्विक लर्नर्स. सो इन द सेन्स द नेटिव्ह लँग्वेज प्रोफिशियन्सी हेल्प देम टू पिक अप अनदर लँग्वेज विदिन नो टाइम. That is, for example, Hindi and Marathi I have already given you. So native language is the very important. Then external factors. Let's see the external factors. The first one is that the curriculum. Curriculum is the very important factor in external factors. If language learning is an essential part of their curriculum, then students devote much time and pay more attention to language learning. So that is, in our curriculum, English is the compulsory paper, so we focus on it to learn that language. So that is why we are able to learn it. So ESL students, that is comparatively do better in the field of language acquisition than others. So English as a second language students or do better in the field of language acquisition than others. So that is the very important factor, that is curriculum. So in curriculum we have that language, then we develop. In our curriculum we do not have a French language, Japanese language, so we have difficulties about that. We do not learn that language. So curriculum is the factor which influence the language learning. Then instruction is there. Instruction is also another factor which affects on the language learning. So second language acquire depends upon the quality of instructor or a teacher. So how the instructor is, how the teacher is, that his instructions, whatever he provide the instruction about the language, that also the effects on a learner. So So some students do better if they get better and qualified instructor who are dedicated towards learning and teaching. So dedicated and teachers are develop a good language among the students. So instruction is the another factor. Some instructor use motivational activities to acquire the language. So there are so many teachers who use a innovative and motivational activity in a class, so the students able to learn a language very effectively. So that is the factor which develop the language. Third one is that culture and status. So this is another factor which influence on a second language. The culture and status also affects on second language acquisition. So there is some evidence that students in situations where their own culture has a lower status than that of the culture in which they are learning the language makes lower progress. So culture in the sense also very important thing which affects on a language learner. So असं विद्यार्थ्यांच्या मनामध्ये होता कामा नये की आपल्याला की इंग्रजीचे कल्चर हाय आणि आपलं लो आहे. जर हा डायलेमा त्यांच्या मनात राहिला तर ते डेफिनेटली स्लो प्रोग्रेस त्या ठिकाणी करू शकतात. सो कल्चर अँड स्टेटस ऑल्सो important factor in developing a language. Then stimulus extrinsic. Stimulus is also another very important factor. The stimulus from teachers, parents helps them to acquire a language. So students who are given continuing appropriate inspiration to learn by their teachers and parents will generally do better than those who aren't do it. So this is stimulus that is extrinsic from others is another impact factor influence on second language. Then next one is the access to native speakers. This is another very important factor. The opportunity to interact with native speakers both within and outside of the classroom is a significant advantage. But why do we are unable to speak English properly? Because we do not have a proper opportunity to communicate. फक्त वर्गामध्येच आपल्याला संधी मिळते परंतु वर्गाच्या बाहेर आपल्याला बोलायला संधी मिळत नाही. That's why we do not have opportunity to interact with a native speaker. So those have opportunity to interact in that language, so they develop a good language. That is the that's why it is a factor. Native speakers are linguistic models and can provide appropriate feedback for that student. So the second language learners who have no such exposure are not successful, particularly in the oral aspects of a language. So if we have to develop oral aspects of a language, so we have to interact with the native speaker. We must listen that language. We must spend more time on a listening, so to develop a oral aspect of that language. So this is very important factor of which affect on the acquisition of a second language. So we have seen the factors on a second language acquisition. What I have present before you, I have took some references from these books, website. You also visit and learn in detail too. Hope you understood the factors influencing on a second language. Thank you very much.